Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to list 5 best long-term investments in 2022. Let's get right into it. Markets are extremely volatile right now. In case you haven't noticed, stock market indexes are fluctuating dramatically from day to day, inflation remains near 4-decade highs, and the Federal Reserve is raising interest rates. Banks may soon begin to raise average percentage yields, but the average savings account still pays only about 0.06% APY. While some of the best high-yield savings accounts provide higher rates, bank deposits do not provide much in the way of interest. Fortunately, it is not impossible to earn higher returns without taking on excessive risk or exposing your portfolio to the volatile stock market. Let's list them out. Number 1. Treasury notes, treasury bills, and treasury bonds. Government bonds are your first and best option if you want to earn a slightly higher interest rate than a savings account without taking on much additional risk. Treasury bonds are currently yielding 0.85% for 1 month and up to 2.97% for 30 years. Bonds issued by the US Treasury are backed by the US government's full faith and credit, which carries a lot of weight. The United States has always paid its debts. If you need access to your cash before the debt matures, this makes government debt more reliable and easier to buy and sell on secondary markets. This stability, however, means that bonds have lower yields than bonds where the debt is less likely to be repaid, such as corporate bonds. Number 2. Corporate bonds. High-grade corporate debt may be a good option if you're willing to accept a little more risk in exchange for higher yields. These bonds, which are issued by well-established, high-performing companies, typically provide higher returns than treasuries or money market accounts. According to the most recent data from the St. Louis Federal Reserve, 10-year high-quality bonds offer an average interest rate of 4.2% as of April 2022. While high-quality corporate bonds are relatively safe, you can still lose money if you invest in them for a variety of reasons. 1. Interest rates will rise. Because the interest rates that bonds pay are generally fixed for a set period of time, your money will not earn the higher rate. If you need to sell your bonds, you may have to sell them for less than you paid for them if interest rates have risen overall. If you keep your bonds until they mature, you will receive the face value plus interest. Another issue arises when the issuer goes broke. Despite the fact that investment-grade bonds are generally regarded as relatively safe investments, they are not as secure as money held in bank accounts. This is why it is critical to concentrate on debt issued by highly rated companies that are most likely to repay you. Companies with lower ratings may offer higher interest rates, but they are also more likely to lose money. Number 3. Real estate. In terms of pure potential, a real estate investment can be one of the most profitable long-term investments you can make. Of course, market conditions must be favorable to begin with. Some areas have seen massive property value losses, even as the market as a whole is improving. One advantage of real estate investing is that you can use one property as leverage to purchase another. Assume you've paid off one rental property. You could take out a second mortgage and use the proceeds to make down payments on several other properties. As long as you can afford all of those mortgages, you can quickly increase your rental property portfolio. You can also invest in REIT. Individual investors can profit from the real estate market by investing in a real estate investment trust, REIT. In a REIT, you're investing in shares of a larger holding company that owns and manages real estate, typically commercial real estate. You won't have as much control as you do over your own personal property, but you won't have to deal with any of the hassles. Number 4. Fixed annuities. Fixed annuities are a type of annuity contract in which investors pay a one-time lump sum in exchange for a series of payments over time. Fixed annuities function similarly to certificates of deposit in that you agree to restrict access to your money for a set period of time in exchange for a higher than average interest rate. According to Blueprint Income, a fixed annuity marketplace, fixed annuity interest rates are paying up to 4.1% for a 10-year term. However, keep in mind that higher interest rates are frequently offered by less reputable insurers, implying that they are more likely to default on payment. Remember that, like CDs, there may be penalties if you need to access all of your money before the fixed annuity matures. However, you will typically have penalty-free access to a percentage of your money each month. Number 5. Preferred stocks. Preferred stocks function similarly to a hybrid of stocks and bonds in that it provides some of the potential for appreciation of common stocks while also providing the dependable income payments of bonds. In fact, preferred stock frequently pays higher dividends than corporate bonds because, unlike bonds, payment is not guaranteed. Since 1900, preferred stocks have provided annual returns of more than 7%, the majority of which have come from dividend payments. In addition to dividends, a buyback may increase the value of your investment. Many companies have recently bought back preferred shares, usually at a slightly higher price than they were sold for, because preferred stocks pay higher dividends than corporate debt and thus cost companies more. That's it for today. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you never miss out on any future content we'll produce for you guys. We're signing off now, but we'll be sure to catch you all in the next one.